Alright, so you have clicked on some extra help for problems that involve a variable that are one-step equations. And basically what that means is it's going to take one step in order to solve the questions in this particular topic. So in the problems in this section, you'll notice you've got the variable. In this case, it is a w, but it's not by itself. And with one mathematical maneuver, we're going to be able to get the w by itself or any other variable in this series of questions. So there are basically two steps to follow. First thing is you're going to have to ask yourself the question, what is happening to the variable? So when you ask yourself the question, what is happening to the variable, in this particular problem you have a w, and then hopefully you can see that 5 is being subtracted from the w. And at that point you would apply the opposite operation. Well, if 5 is being subtracted from w, the opposite would be to add 5 to the w. So we're going to write that down on each side. If 5 is being taken away, we're going to add 5. And remember, we talked about in class, this equation is in balance. So if we're adding 5 to the right side, we're going to add 5 to the left side, which leaves us with 13 on the left, and 5 and negative 5. These two cancel out, and we are left with w is equal to 13. And the last thing you can do is to check it. And if we wanted to do that, we would simply rewrite the equation. 8 is equal to w take away 5. And we just said that w was equal to 13. So we will replace the w with 13. And 13 take away 5 is in fact 8. And this problem checks out. And here's our last example. W minus 6 is equal to 7. Well, if 6 is being subtracted from the left side, the opposite of taking 6 away is to add 6, and we will do that to both sides, which leaves us with w is equal to 13. And if you wanted to check it, 13 take away 6 is equal to 7, and it definitely checks out. And here this w is equal to 13. That's where this 13 came from. Hopefully that helps. Good luck.